Today, I'll be showing y'all how to make a plasma cannon with a little butane torch lighter. You have to have this kind, otherwise you will not get a flame through this tube. This is 2 little Gatorade bottles, just taped together. Make a hole about like a quarter size in this end, and then you're gonna make one the size of the tube in this end. Very simple. You will also need a fuel source. This came from a barbecue lighter. It took me a few videos to figure out why this was needed, but I figured it out. So, how these work, you have to fill this up with the gas first. So I'm just gonna put this in here and fill it up first. You have to hold it for like 10 seconds or so, but you have to get gas in this chamber in order to have the combustion that you see in most videos. I had to shorten my tube because the flame wasn't getting to the gas, so this should work now.